Good morning, students. Grade 5th, subject Social Science. Topic Our Government. Topic Our Government. Words: decision, disorder, dispute, lawlessness, and system. Again one time: decision, disorder, dispute, lawlessness, and system. Aim: student understands that the government creates and enforces laws and represents the needs of the people. Our government. Every country needs a government without which it cannot function. Government is a system by which a state or a country is ruled. Governments have existed in some form or the other ever since humans settled down in one place. In earlier times, the leader of a tribe ruled his people. Then it was a king who made the laws and took decisions for the country. Today, in most countries, people elect their leaders to form the government. For a government, laws or set of rules we must obey. If we do not respect a law, we can be punished. Laws are similar to rules. They help to maintain order, discipline in school. If we did not have rules, everyone would be free to come to school at any time, to whatever he or she wished to, and this would lead to problems. The school administration make these rules for everyone has to follow. We need laws in the country. If there are no laws, people will do whatever they wish and cause problems for others. For example, if there were no traffic rules, people would be free to drive in any direction, and this can lead to accidents. Laws for the country are made by on organizations called government. The government makes sure that everybody follows these laws. The government decides laws based on what it thinks will help us live peacefully in society and also help in our development. In India, our elected leaders form the government. All our laws are written in a book called the Constitution. Second one, levels of the government. India has 28 states and 8 union territories with Delhi as the national capital territory of India. Each state is different from the other. Hence, their needs and problems are also different. It is not easy for one government to rule such a large country with so many different states. This is why there are two sets of government in India. One for the whole country called central government and one for each state called state government. The central government makes decisions on matters that are important for the whole country. They include matters relating to the country's security, railways, agriculture, transport, foreign affairs, relations with other countries, and many others. The state governments take decisions on matters that are important for each state. Some of these include building hospitals, controlling prices of things, maintaining roads, maintaining law and order in the states, and helping in irrigation. Organs of the government. Our government has three main organs: the legislature, executive, and the judiciary. The legislature makes laws for the country. The executive makes sure that everyone follow the laws, and the judiciary decides who has broken the laws and how to take action against that person. Indian government, central and state government. The president along with the prime minister and the council of ministers form the executive body of the country. The parliament is the main legislative body. The Indian parliament has two houses, the Lok Sabha, lower house, and the Rajya Sabha, upper house. The Lok Sabha has 552 members and the Rajya Sabha has 250 members. The Supreme Court is the highest judicial body of the country. It protects the laws and settles disputes. The members of the parliament are usually elected from different political parties. The party that gets the most number of votes form the government. The leader of the party becomes the prime minister. Every state of India has its own government. In the states, the governor, the chief minister, and the council of ministers form the executive body. Most states in India have only one house in the state legislature called the Legislative Assembly. Only 7 states have 2 houses in the state legislature. The other is called the Legislative Council. The legislative assemblies are located in the state capitals. The High Court is the highest judicial organ of the state. Usually, most high courts are located in the state capitals. The central government is more powerful than the state government. In case of a disagreement between the state and the center's decision is final. Okay, students, thank you. Do the worksheet.